I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer money from PayPal to Klarna, follow these steps to make it happen smoothly. Step 1. Log into PayPal. Start by logging into your PayPal account on the website or app. Make sure you have access to the funds you want to transfer. Step 2. Withdraw funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Transfer to bank. Once the funds are in your bank account, log into your bank's app or website. Initiate a transfer to Klarna using the payment method you have set up. Step 4. Confirm Klarna payment. After the funds arrive in your bank account, open the Klarna app. Go to the payment section and confirm the payment using the transferred funds. Step 5. Check transaction status. Finally, check both your PayPal and Klarna accounts to ensure the transaction went through successfully. Sometimes transfers can take a few hours to reflect. If you follow these steps, you should be able to transfer your money without any hassle. Good luck and happy spending!